So, on the last video, you left me at the bottom of the Orland 15. So I was on my own because of the delays that we'd had, and my mum had to leave, but it was okay because 2 locks in, I got some help from someone who very kindly got me from the second lock all the way up to the top at 15. So Tina, if you're listening, thank you very, very much. Yeah, on a bike, going up and down, setting the lock, coming back and closing the gate, and moving up, and we got up to the top quite quickly. So again, thank you very much. So let's see the last leg of the journey. since buying the boat, I've wanted to put my own stamp on it, modernise it a little bit. So I've slowly been redecorating. So it's all grey inside now, different greys. I've replaced the plug sockets and lighting switches recently, so they're all chrome to fit in with the grey look. And also we finally fitted the new flooring. So there's a couple of clips here now to show, but thank you for watching. So thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe if you want to see any more, and also click on the bell icon to get some notifications when I put new videos up. They're not as often as I'd like, but I don't live on the boat at the minute, so it's not that easy to get footage. So bear with me, they will get better, I'm sure. I promise. So thank you very much.